The history of Islam is filled with numerous great warriors who have left their mark on the world with their bravery, military tactics, and strategic leadership. These warriors served as a source of inspiration for Muslims all around the world and played a significant role in shaping the Islamic world. Here are the 15 most important Muslim warriors in history in no particular order. 1. Khalid ibn Walid. Khalid ibn Walid, also known as the Sword of Allah, was a 7th century general who played a pivotal role in the unification of Arabia during the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Khalid was a master strategist, and his tactics and leadership were instrumental in the victories of many Muslim battles, including the Battle of Mu'tah, Uhud, and Hunayn. 2. Salahuddin. Salahuddin was a Muslim general who rose to power during the 12th century. He conquered Jerusalem during the Crusades, earning him the title of the Sultan of Egypt and Syria. Salahuddin's military tactics were masterful, and his victories have been celebrated in the Islamic world to this day. 3. Tariq ibn Ziyad. Tariq ibn Ziyad was a Muslim general in the 8th century who led the Muslim conquest of Spain. Tariq crossed the Strait of Gibraltar with an army of approximately 7,000 soldiers and defeated the Visigothic forces led by King Roderick at the Battle of Guadalete. Tariq's conquest of Spain was a significant event in Islamic history as it marked the beginning of the Umayyad Caliphate's expansion into Europe. Tariq's army captured several cities, including Toledo, and established the city of Cordoba as the capital of the new Muslim state of Al-Andalus. Tariq's legacy as a great Islamic warrior is reflected in his name, which means the conqueror in Arabic. He is celebrated in Islamic history as a symbol of bravery and military prowess. 4. Muhammad Ali Pasha. Muhammad Ali Pasha was an Ottoman general and the founder of modern Egypt. He is best known for his military campaigns in Greece, Syria, and Saudi Arabia, where he expanded Ottoman territory and added to the Islamic world's glory. 5. Umar ibn al-Khattab. Umar ibn al-Khattab was the second caliph of the Islamic Empire, known for his military conquests of Persia and Syria. He played a crucial role in the expansion of the Muslim Empire and established Islam's presence in the Middle East. 6. Ali ibn Abi Talib radiyallahu an. Ali ibn Abi Talib was born in Mecca in 601 CE. He was the cousin and son-in-law of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and one of his closest companions. Ali was raised by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, after his parents died, and he grew up to become a fierce warrior and a devout Muslim. Ali played a prominent role in the early years of Islam. He was one of the first people to convert to Islam, and he was instrumental in spreading the message of Islam throughout Arabia. He fought in many battles, including the famous Battle of Badr, where he demonstrated his bravery and skill as a warrior. 7. Osman Ghazi. Osman Ghazi, the founder of the Ottoman Empire, was born in 1258 CE in what is now modern-day Turkey. Osman was a skilled warrior who fought in many battles, and he was also a devout Muslim who was deeply committed to his faith. Osman was the son of a tribal leader, and he inherited his father's position as the head of the tribe. He saw an opportunity to expand his power and influence by conquering neighboring territories, and he set out to do so. Over the course of his life, Osman conquered many territories and established the Ottoman Empire. He was a strategic and skilled military commander who was able to unite the various tribes under his rule. Osman was also known for his piety and his commitment to Islam. He established many mosques and religious schools throughout the Ottoman Empire, and he was a patron of Islamic scholarship and learning. Under Osman's leadership, the Ottoman Empire grew in power and influence, becoming one of the most significant empires in history. The Ottomans ruled over much of the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Europe for centuries, leaving a lasting legacy that continues to shape the world today. 8. Khalil Pasha. Khalil Pasha was an Ottoman general who served as the governor of Egypt in the 19th century. He is known for his victories against the French in Algeria and the British in Sudan, which asserted Ottoman rule in the Muslim world. 9. Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim was an Arab general who is best known for his conquest of Sindh, which is now part of modern-day Pakistan. In 711 CE, he led an army of approximately 6,000 soldiers to conquer the region. Muhammad bin Qasim's conquest of Sindh was significant in Islamic history, as it marked the first time that Muslims had established a foothold in the Indian subcontinent. He was able to defeat the local Hindu and Buddhist kingdoms, and he established the city of Al-Mansura as the capital of the new Muslim state. One of Muhammad bin Qasim's most significant military victories was the Battle of Raur, which took place in 712 CE. In this battle, he defeated an army led by the local Hindu king Dahir, who had been resisting Muslim rule. Muhammad bin Qasim's victory was a significant milestone in the spread of Islam in the Indian subcontinent. 10. Qutuz. Qutuz was a 13th century Muslim warrior who defeated the Mongols in the Battle of Ain Jalut, saving the Islamic world from the Mongol invasion. He served as the Sultan of Egypt and Syria and is remembered for his bravery and leadership in the face of adversity. 11. Khalid bin Abdullah al-Qasri. Khalid bin Abdullah al-Qasri was a Muslim general who served under the Umayyad Caliphate. He is known for his military campaigns in Central Asia, where he conquered the region of Transoxiana. He was also instrumental in the Umayyad conquest of Sindh, modern-day Pakistan, where he led the Muslim forces to victory against the Hindu king Raja Dahir. 12. Yusuf ibn Tashfin. Yusuf ibn Tashfin was a Muslim general who played a key role in the early Muslim conquests in Spain. He is known for his military campaigns in Andalusia, where he led the Muslim forces to victory against the Christian kingdoms. He is also credited with founding the city of Marrakesh, which became an important cultural and intellectual center in medieval Morocco. 13. Malik Ambar. Malik Ambar was an Ethiopian-born Muslim who became a prominent figure in the Deccan region of India during the 17th century. He was sold into slavery as a child and brought to India, where he was eventually able to gain his freedom and rise to power. Malik Ambar's military career began when he was appointed as the regent of the Nizam Shahi dynasty in Ahmednagar. He led several successful military campaigns against the Mughal Empire, which was seeking to expand its territory in India. One of Malik Ambar's most significant military victories was the Battle of Rohan Khed, which took place in 1621 CE. In this battle, Malik Ambar's army defeated a much larger Mughal force, which was led by the Emperor Jahangir's son, Prince Khurram, later known as Shah Jahan. Malik Ambar's victory was a significant blow to the Mughal Empire and established his position as a powerful leader in the region. 14. Al-Mu'tasim. Al-Mu'tasim was the 8th Abbasid Caliph who ruled from 833 to 842 CE. He was known for his military campaigns against the Byzantine Empire and his efforts to expand the Islamic Empire in the East. Al-Mu'tasim was a patron of the military and is known for his creation of the elite Abbasid army known as the Turkish Guard. Al-Mu'tasim's military campaigns against the Byzantine Empire were significant in Islamic history. He led several successful campaigns, including the Siege of Amorium, which resulted in the capture of the Byzantine Emperor Theophilus' wife and children. Al-Mu'tasim's victory was a significant blow to the Byzantine Empire and cemented the Abbasid Caliphate's position as a dominant power in the region. Al-Mu'tasim's military prowess was matched by his commitment to Islamic scholarship and learning. He was a patron of the famous House of Wisdom in Baghdad, which was a center of learning and scholarship in the Islamic world. Under his patronage, Islamic scholars made significant advancements in fields such as mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. 15. Zengi. Zengi was a Muslim general who played a key role in the Crusades. He is known for his military campaigns in Syria, where he led the Muslim forces to victory against the Crusaders. He is also credited with founding the city of Aleppo, which became an important cultural and intellectual center in the Muslim world. In conclusion, these powerful Muslim warriors have played a crucial role in the development and consolidation of the Islamic world. They have inspired generations of Muslims with their bravery, military tactics, and leadership, and their contributions continue to be celebrated in the Islamic world to this day. Their influence is felt in the art, culture, and architecture of many Islamic societies and serves as a reminder of the rich history and legacy of the Muslim world. Introducing the One Islam TV app, the ultimate destination to learn about Islam with hundreds of educational videos, lessons, and documentaries. Experience our 7 YouTube channels in one place. All content is music-free. Download the One Islam TV app now from the Apple or Google Play Store today.